Hey. Okay, so we've had some controversial, videos recently. So we're gonna keep this one a little light and airy. All right. So in the spirit of light and airy, let me tell you something. You need to be calling your past clients. Okay, you need to call your past clients all the freaking time. The reason why you have to call your past clients is this. I'm just gonna put it right out there. I want you to think if you had a past client, okay, and let's say big news in the marketplace was happening. Okay, so let's hypothetically say that inflation went up and interest rates are going to go, and you know people who bought or sold with you in the previously. What do you think is going through their heads? I mean, sure, financially you might be okay. What if they're not okay? What if they're hypochondriacs? What if they're financially stressed? What if they're about to go through a big life change? What if something has happened in their world? And here you are assuming everybody is fine because you're fine, because you were smart with your money, or your life has no ups and downs in it right now. And you know what? You want to go enjoy yourself over the summertime. Here's the thing, is that when big changes happen in marketplaces like inflation or interest rates, you need to be on top of making sure that the people that are around you who have supported your business actually are okay too. Don't assume it. Okay, this is the time more than ever that you got to pick up a phone. Don't send some rando text message. That's not okay. That is like when I get a text message from somebody, I know they don't really want to speak to me. Okay, but when I get a phone call from somebody, if I don't want to talk to you, I'm not going to answer. But it doesn't mean that I won't love hearing from you. So I would say that one of the nicest things that you can do is understand that your past clients, they want to hear from you. Pick up a phone and just leave them a quick message and say, hey, it's Marianne. I know that inflation's gone up and there's a possibility of rates changing. And you know what? I haven't talked to you in a little while. So this is just a message saying, don't be afraid to reach out to me. However I can help, I'm here for you. Even if it's a question, I'm here for you. No question is too small, too big, or anything. I valued you when you bought your place from me. I value you now, and you're still part of my real estate family. Make sure that you do that, guys, okay? It can go a long, long, long way, and people don't know how much you care until you actually show them that you care, okay? So don't be so transactional. Reach out to your past clients, family, friends, everybody, and make sure they're okay. And if they are, they'll just appreciate it. And if they're not, they're gonna really appreciate hearing from you, okay?